Today we're going to be showing you how to replace the spark plugs in the 2014 Hyundai Elantra, and we're doing this real quick out of freaking parking lot. First thing you grab is a 10mm socket, and you start removing the coils right here. Loosen that up. Alright. You got, what's that, number 2? Quick video here to get some views on YouTube and show the folks here how to do this thing, in case you never know how to do it or you've never done this before. You'll be able to do it now. So you just pull the coils out just like that. Number 2. Got stuck in the way right there. You're probably gonna take this clip off. Oh, there you go. Number 2. Out. That's all you do. Pull the coils out, and then we use a spark plug socket to get in there. This, I believe, is a 5/8 spark plug socket. Is that gonna work?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Okay, great. Now you do it. You're the man today, bro. You're the star of the show. I'm just the camera guy. Let's do an overhead shot right here. All right, there we go. Just like that. Now we're just going to show you how to do one, and then we'll take care of the rest, because it's basically the same concept, so there's no need to be recording all 4 of them. It's coming, right?
Mm-hmm.
Gonna do a little YouTube magic and fast forward. All right. So you get either your your socket with the grommet or a magnet, and then pull it out. And there you go. Now put your spark plug back in, screw it up, put the coil back on, and then you're good to go. That's it. Simple and easy. So once you have replaced your spark plugs, we're gonna go ahead and put the coils back where they belong in place. Let's slide this sucker underneath here. You want to go ahead and help me out, bro? Yeah. Get it over there. Bring that one up. Yeah. There you go. Alright. And then we put that one back where it belongs. Alright. Bolt your 10mm down. And ladies and gentlemen, you have now replaced your spark plugs in the 2014 Hyundai Elantra. Thank you so much for watching. Hope this video helped you. Give it a thumbs up and a like, and subscribe to our channel. Have a good day. What's going on, guys? Today we're going to do a coil replacement on a 2014 Hyundai Elantra. These are your coils right here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, just in that order. So we're gonna go one by one. We're gonna start with number 4. Is the easiest to access. I got a 10mm ratchet and socket right here, that's what it should be. All you gotta do is loosen up this bolt. Okay. Well, first you gotta unplug it. Unplug your coil. Take this bolt off. Be sure that there's no trash around there that can fall in your plug. You just pick this up. That's your ignition coil. This is your old one. Now let's put it out of the way. Let's put a new one. Versus the new one. They both look exactly the same, so we should be good to go. Now, same procedure. Just pop it in place. Alright. Put your bolt back on. Make sure it aligns. Start it with your hand, and then tighten it with the ratchet. Alright, you plug it in. Okay. Yeah. Whatever clip it has on it, make sure you put it back. This one has this little clip on here. Let me see. There we go. The clip in here, and then tighten it. Tighten it down by hand, not too tight. And bam, that's it. You replace your ignition coil. The same procedure for the other 4 or the other 3. And thank you for watching. Have a good day.